What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that came across my desk, REKT. This is an official token for the REKT meme, and I feel as though it's going to have some popularity because of the fact that anytime you see these memes that are outside of the scope of just a dog meme now, because it seems like everything is trying to create some sort of a dog meme or even bring up a cat meme. But when you look at things like, Pepe, when you look at things like Bohm and a bunch of other projects that are created from these memes that are out there, these existing memes, you start to see this popularity, right? You start to see this level of success that they can have. And I think REKT is one of those when you have a token of the official meme coin page or official meme page. This is that, and I will show you guys what this is all about here. It's very, very simple to understand, and hopefully you guys like it. If you don't, then it's understandable, but I want you guys to make the decision for yourself whether you want to decide to invest into it or you don't. There are a lot of projects that are out there. This may be something that could be insanely popular, though. And again, could be. We never truly know what the markets will do, because right now you see what the markets are doing, and it seems like everything is really pulling back. So you look at Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you look at Shiba Inu and Bohm and Solana-based memes and all of these things, and they're not really flowing as well right now because the market is down. So we don't really know exactly what the market's going to do, but in the altcoin season and in the official full bull market, we're in the middle of the bull market, then yes, we should see a lot of meme coins that do run as well. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for REKT, I will provide all of those at the top of the description so you guys can make that decision for yourself. But if we go into the website here, we're going to the website, we're going to see the memed, we see the REKT meme, right? That's there. The Twitter account, just to start there, we have 2,394 followers. Within this is the official token of the REKT meme page, which currently has 137,000 or 138,000 followers here. So with more popularity comes more growth with the official token as well. So you're expecting to see that happen as more memes goes out, as more people see the opportunity and see what they're doing. They're starting to spend money on marketing, starting to hopefully spend money on the CEX connections, and just get more volume, more attention, and more things that are out there. Now, this is REKT created on Base. Base Chain has been catching quite a bit of popularity lately, and we've been seeing a lot of things that are created. For instance, one thing that has moved is Brett. Right, Brett is one of those bigger plays that a lot of people talk about. I have yet to make a full video on Brett, but I've seen videos that have seen upwards of 100,000 views because of the popularity of Brett on Base. And you have many other projects that are being created on Base. To see REKT that is created there shows that it may have some popularity with that state. Now, if you go into the website, again, it's very, very simple. You have buy on Uniswap. You can play REKT, which will come out soon. I guess this will be a game that comes out soon. And then you can join the Telegram. And then they do have a bunch of REKT memes here that some people may be familiar with, right? Where some things get REKT, some things almost get REKT, but it all leads to REKT there. So very, very simple to understand when it comes to their website. But let's go in and check the position itself, because right now the position stands at about 2.6 cents, and it's down 47% over the last maybe 2 months is what we have here, because it's been out for about 2 months, and we've seen it kind of hover flat. It's not down it's not a crazy amount to where it has just absolutely dropped down, right? It's had its ebbs and flows. It's had its push and pull with the market. And more recently, we haven't really seen the market go our way, our direction. But it is something that, again, base contract if you go into the contract and understand how many people are holding it, is anybody holding this position? And yes, you do have people that are holding this position. While you have 11,087 transfers, you have 2,325 holders. So you do have a decent amount of holders there with 125 million REKT in the max supply, the total and max supply. And if you look at how much is out there out of that 125 million, you have 111 million released out there, which is 88%. So there's no factor in dilution within the position, which is always a good thing. The thing that I think they do need to work on, and I think they are working on it, especially with spending money in marketing and exchanges and just overall popularity and conversation to bring that up, especially with the Telegram. You're going to see more and more volume. Now it's up 50%. Really, they only have two markets, which is Uniswap version 3 base. That's pretty much the only place to where you could buy it if you wanted to right now. And you're looking at a $2.9 million market cap. This has hovered at a higher market cap before. If you look at it, it was double, looking at about a $5 million market cap or so. So I expect to see some major movement because this is so early, but you never really know exactly what's going to happen. Because my opinion of meme coins is that they have, if done right, if you spend money in the right areas, if you launch on certain exchanges or have exchanges in general where people can buy it without spending these larger fees. I feel base is not really super expensive, but getting Ethereum in the first place is always definitely more on the expensive side. So you want to find a way to make it cheaper, to make it more efficient, to make it more secure, and everything there. So let me know what you think about this project. I thought it definitely caught my attention, especially having 2,000 plus holders for something that's early stages. You have people that are holding for maybe a little bit of the long term, or at least that major push that you will see within positions. This looks like something that honestly, when you think about it, could make a huge move, could make a way bigger move. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Definitely check out all of the links for REKT Twitter account, their website, the charting, everything. I will provide that all at the top of the description. Don't forget to check out my link for Margex if you guys want to sign up for leverage trading, maybe eventually down the road, because REKT may be at $1 billion, $2 billion market cap. It'll be on Margex as well as a leverage tradable position. But you can leverage trade up to 50x leverage on that platform. Or sorry, up to 100x leverage on that platform with BTC and BNB and many others, right? They also have Shiba Inu and Pepe and Dogecoin over there as well. So guys, again, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.